The human body is amazing, a living miracle. A baby's heart will beat more than 3 billion times during its lifespan. Each one of us is made up of over 7 octillion atoms. Our uncoiled DNA strands, lined up end to end, would cover a distance of over 10 billion miles. Our bones are 5 times stronger than steel, and our skeletons will completely regenerate every decade. Each one of us are connected to each other by our souls, the earth, and the power of the sun. Amazing bodies need amazing fuel. Fuel from the earth and fuel from the sun. That's why we created Sunwarrior, Earth's most complete, most natural blend of plant-based proteins and supplements, derived from the sun, captured by plants, and delivered to your table.
I am a Sunwarrior.
I am a Sunwarrior.
We are Sun Warriors.
And we're all connected as one.
So fuel your amazing body with the plant-based superfoods and supplements of the Sunwarriors.